everybody. Your first composition project is coming up, so this is a review to help you get started on that project. So basically, I'm going to have you write down 2 different melodies, and I'm going to give you specific things that I want you to write down. And then what you're going to have to do is make a PDF of it or a picture that I am able to see, and you're going to post it to Blackboard. You're not going to email it to me. You just post it to Blackboard. Okay, and I'm going to give more instructions on that. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to know how to draw the treble and bass clef. I reviewed this in one of the other videos, but I'll just do it again. So for treble, you're going to make a little loop-de-doo and up, and then come down. And then for bass, we're going to do the ear, and then you have dots on either side of the F line. Now, basically, I'm going to give you instructions that say, for measure 1, I want an F on beat 1 in the treble clef. So I'll tell you how to set it up. I'll say I want treble clef, so we'll draw another one, and 4/4 time. So you're going to put your 4/4 on either side of this middle line of the staff like that. Okay? Now that it's 4/4 time, we know that each measure has to have 4 total beats. Okay? So when you're going through and checking, make sure that when you have 4/4 time, you have 4 beats in each measure. Now if I were to say I want a quarter note F on beat 1, you're going to go to the F space, and you're going to put a quarter note, and this is on beat 1. And let's say I want 2 eighth notes on the G line in the treble clef. Right like that. And I'll go beat by beat and tell you what I want. Now make sure, because I'm not going to specify this in the instructions necessarily, make sure that you put the measure lines in. So every time that there's 4 beats, there needs to be a measure line after that. So I'm going to fill out this measure, and now we have 4 beats, and I'm going to put a measure line like that. And then I'm going to start measure 2. So this would be measure 1. And this would be measure 2. And then you'll have another melody that you need to write that'll be in the bass clef, but it'll be in 6/8. So in 6/8, remember that this is how we write our meter down, okay? And 6/8, remember that it's the 8th note that gets 1 beat. So you need 6 eighth notes in each measure. When you group eighth notes together, here I group 2 eighth notes together. For 6/8, you group 3 eighth notes together, okay? So 4/4 is 2 eighth notes, like that. And 6/8 is 3 eighth notes, like that. Okay? So every time that you have 3 eighth notes in a row, you need to group those together. So for instance, if I say I want beat 1 to be on the C space of the bass line, that would be beat 1 because it's an 8th note which gets 1 beat. Alright, so the main thing is for you to know how to write the difference between 4/4 and 6/8. And make sure that you put the measure line in. You can email me if you have any questions. Good luck.